Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn to apply multiple criteria drop-down lists by using the data validation. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have an example with the few columns, fruit type, lot size, region, market. If I want to apply drop-down list on these two columns, so I will select all those cells and then go to data tab and there is a data validation. Click the node on side, first one, data validation. A window will pop up. Then select the list from here and then source data. Source data is this one, select this one, press enter and then press OK. Now you can see the drop down list has been applied on this column. Second one is this one, select this one and then go to data validation and then again select list and source data is this one, press enter and OK. Now this list has been applied as well. So this is how you can quickly apply the drop-down list. So for example, if I want to show the blank cell within my drop-down list as well, so what I will do, I will select all those cells, then go to data validation, and then I'll go to the source again, click on this arrow, and then reselect the data by including the blank cell as well. Press enter and then OK. Now, if I see the drop-down list is showing the blank cell as well. This is something like if I want to select the blank instead of filling the cell. Again, second one, I want to do the same with it. I'll go to data validation and then source data and then include the blank, enter, and then OK. Now it's showing me the blank cell in the drop-down list as well. So another thing is select those cells, go to data validation, and it's showing me the input message. So if I want to display any message when I hover my mouse on the cell, so I just type manual entry. So this is something, if I go to this one, it will show as a note on the side. So this is something to for the guidance. Again, if I go to the data validation and then go to the error alert, so if any user type anything else other than these fruit types, so it will give the error message, and error message you can customize as well. Type something else. Press enter. Now if I try to type, for example, type and press enter, now it's showing me the message type something else. So I cancel it, so it won't let me type. There is a shortcut key as well to apply the data validation as well. So select those cell where you want to apply and then press Alt A V. So because it has already been applied, so you can't apply on this one. So for example here, so if I run Alt A V, so now it's giving me the window. So again, you can select the list and then source data and apply the data validation. So this is how you can apply the data validation with multiple criteria. I can see you can select the multiple criteria according to your choice, and you can quickly remove the data validation as well. So to remove the data validation, select those cells and from the Home tab, then go to Clear and say clear formats. So it will clear all the formats and clear all, it will remove everything from your cells. So this is how you can quickly apply and remove the data validation as well. Hit the like button if you like this video.